Hello students, let us see the question now. Sin square a into tan a plus cos square a into cot a plus 2 sin a into cos a is equal to tan a plus cot of a. Consider sin square a into tan a plus cos square a into cot a plus 2 sin of a. Sin square, I write it as it is, tan of a can be split as sin of a upon cos of a plus this cos square a as it is. Cot a can be written as cos of a upon sin of a plus this 2 sin of a into cos a. Now sin square, we multiply this sin square and this sin square, we multiply this sin square and this sin a and this cos square into cos of a. So sin square a into sin of a, that gives us sin cube a. This is sin cube a upon cos of a plus cos square into cos a, that gives us cos cube a upon sin of a plus this is 2 sin a into cos of a. Again we cross multiply these terms here. We multiply this sin cube and sin a and this cos a into cos cube a. So sin cube into sin a, we get this as sin 4a plus cos cube into cos a, we get that as cos 4a upon sin of a into cos of a plus this is 2 sin a into cos of a. Next we cross multiply this complete term here on this side, and while cross multiplying what we do is this sin a we multiply to this sin a to get sin square a, and then cos a into cos a we get cos square a. So the next step comes as sin 4a plus cos 4a plus 2 sin square a into cos square a divided by this will be sin of a into cos of a. Next step can be written as sin 4a, we write it as sin square a bracket square plus I will take these 2 sin square a into cos square a here plus cos 4a, we can write it as a cos square a whole bracket square upon this sin a into cos of a as it is. Now you can see the numerator is of the form a square plus 2a into b plus b square, which can be written as a plus b bracket square. You compare the terms. In place of a I have sin square a, in place of b I have cos square a. So the next step can be written as this will become now, in place of a I will write sin square a and in place of b I will write cos square b, this complete bracket square divided by sin a into cos of a as it is. Now sin square a plus cos square a, just I have made a mistake here, this will be cos square of a. So sin square a plus cos square a, this comes out to be 1 square upon sin a into cos of a. 1 square means this is 1 upon sin a into cos of a. Now 1 again using the identity sin square a plus cos square a upon again this will be sin of a into cos a. Here what we will do is that splitting the denominator to the two terms in the numerator. This can be written as sin square a upon sin a into cos of a. plus again this will be cos square A upon sin A into cos of A. So the next step, sin square can be written as sin of A into sin of A upon again sin A into cos A plus cos square can be written as cos of A into cos A upon sin A into cos of A. Here sin A goes off, cos A goes off. So you have sin A upon cos of A plus cos of A upon sin of A, and that is nothing but sin A upon cos A. This gives us tan A, and cos A upon sin A. This gives us cot A. This is your RHS. I hope that you have understood the solution to the question. Thank you for watching the video.